how to download NetMirror app in laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to download NetMirror app in laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and download a Android emulator on your laptop. So mine is Memu. You can go ahead and download this on their official site. So if you're using Memu, this is how you can do it. Go ahead and open Memu into your device, and then go ahead and proceed on accessing Google Play Store in here. So click on Play Store from here. And then once you're inside Play Store, go ahead and use the search bar on the search tab, and then search for NetMirror. And then once you have done searching, you'll be able to find it as the first application on the results. So go ahead and click on it, and then click on this install button to install this into your Android emulator. So there is no PC version of NetMirror app, but you can download the app on your PC through downloading an Android emulator.